Hey, what exactly is a class in Java and what are its main features?
A class is a blueprint used to create objects. In Java, it contains variables and methods, so it combines data and behavior into a single unit. Think of it like this. The class is the design, and the object is the actual thing created from that design. Just writing a class does not create memory for it. Memory is created only when we create an object. One important feature of a class is that it binds variables and methods into one unit. That is why classes are such a central part of object-oriented programming. Another feature is access control. A class lets us control visibility using access modifiers like private, protected, default access, and public. That helps us protect data and decide what should be accessible from outside. A class can also inherit another class. That means it can reuse properties and methods from a parent class, which helps reduce repeated code and build relationships between classes. A class can have constructors too. Constructors are used to initialize objects when they are created, so they help set the starting values or starting state of the object. It can also support method overloading. That means the same method name can be used with different parameter lists inside the same class. And it can support method overriding as well. If a class inherits a method from a parent class, it can give its own implementation of that method in the child class. Another useful feature is that a class can implement multiple interfaces. So even though Java does not allow multiple inheritance of classes, a class can still follow multiple interface definitions. A class can also have static variables and static methods. These belong to the class itself rather than to each individual object. So, in short, a class is a blueprint for objects. It combines variables and methods, supports access control, inheritance, constructors, method overloading, method overriding, interface implementation, and static members.
Now it feels clear. I was mixing up class and object before, but the blueprint and memory explanation fixed it for me. Thanks, that was really easy to follow.